Hey everyone, welcome to another quick edition of the unboxing experience with the products from UK and USA team. আমাদের এখানে এই উইকে কয়েকটা shipments আসছে, so আমরা কয়েকটা box এখানে রেখে দিয়েছি for you to see as well as for us to unpack. So আমরা এটা every week করে থাকি, so stay tuned with us. আমরা এখানে UK, USA এবং ইন্ডিয়া থেকে products যেগুলো রিসিভ করে থাকি এগুলো আপনার সামনে unbox করে থাকি. Usually unbox করা থাকে because আমাদের চেক করতে হয় যে ভিতরে কি না আছে, but আপনাদের সামনে আবার করি so that you get the thrill of it with us as well. Unboxing করাটাই মানে আলাদা একটা মজা. Plus you can also get an idea of the things that you can order from us are the things that we can bring from UK, USA and India. So we've been doing this since 2015, so we have a reputation in this industry and it's wonderful. Thank you for supporting us, and if you really if you want to order something, not really, if you want to order anything online, just go to the website, especially Amazon by Nike, Adidas, all these well-known websites, the trusted websites. Or you can choose your product, send us the link, message us the link, leave our link to the page, but message korte parben ba jekhane call korte parben. I'll leave all those details in the description below. So do let us know that which product you want to bring, and Amra Baketuk will take care of it all. So don't you worry. And we usually take 3 to 4 weeks for delivery time, and it will be there to your door. And that's about it. So Ajke, let's dive deep straight into the unboxing. Alright, so this is exciting. Let's get it started. আমরা আমাদের sanitize করে অবশ্যই শুরু করব. Let's not get the products filled with coronavirus. So the first product যেটা আমরা শুরু করবো সেটা হচ্ছে this one over here. It's from Amazon Prime. দেখি ওদের কি bubble wrap এর মধ্যে what they have in store for us. Wait, is this cola? No, it's not cola. Wow. Oh, it is cola right here. Alright, so inside we have height growth maximizer. So these are height growth pills, jeta khele supplements, jeta khele apparently you grow in height. So yeah, this is called the height growth maximizer. You can check this out. Reviews take, let me know if this actually works. The Lamio Nibo. This was in this Amazon Prime package here. We'll take some back. Alright, second was on the UPS here. Packaging. A packaging there's something exclusive I feel like, because ছোট একটা রেইন বক্সের মধ্যে আছে. So obviously এর মধ্যে একটা রেইন আছে. এই রেইনটা আমরা let's see how it looks like. Ooh. This ring looks really nice. I hope you can see it. Hopefully সুন্দর করে দেখা যাচ্ছে. I'm just gonna lay it here. So this is the ring that came. It's a beautiful, yeah. সুন্দর একটা ring আছে এটার মধ্যে. So place it back, and what else do we have here? We have two more shoes, so we'll check the first one out. It's actually from New Balance. It's called NB, New Balance. These sneakers are pretty nice. Look at this, it's black and white. I think these are for semi-formal shoes, onek sundor, bhalo ache. And yeah. And the second shoe that we have, this one is from Nike. So these shoes are, oh, there's something special about these shoes. I really want to show this to you. So look at this. So you see this side of the shoes, it looks really nice, right? Onek sundor, and it's like neon colors and all of that. I've never seen these colors on Nike before. But check this out. আমি এরকম করলে it's gonna change color. এখন করে না, but it's gonna change now. Check this out. What? right? So এখানে it's like a whole different other shoe এই সাইড থেকে মনে হয় যে মানে this and this is completely different. একজন যে ডান পাশ থেকে দেখতেছে সে বুঝতে পারবে না যে বাম পাশে এরকম হয়. So it's a very nice shoe from Nike. অনেক সুন্দর, অনেক সুন্দর. I really like it. So if you want to order this, feel free to knock us on inbox. I'm gonna check Kore. We'll let you know how much this is and Kemde you can order. This will be here to you within 3 to 4 weeks. So this could be yours very soon. Feel free to order now. So their last product up. This is not for pre-order. This is already in our stock. So এটা আমরা এখন sell করতেছি. So this is a watch basically. It's from INC. আমি এখনই খুলতেছি. But if you're into watches and all, this you can just order it straight from us right now, and we'll get it delivered to your doorstep now. You don't have to wait for any delivery time or anything. So this is the INC watch. I hope you can see this. এখানে একটা watch আছে সাথে একটা bracelet আছে. So this will be in the PFU2 stock. Feel free to check it out and do let us know if you want this. তাহলে আমরা আপনাকে pricing টা দিব and you can place your order. And this watch is actually really nice. Yeah. Alright. So that was it for our little unboxing experience for today. Thank you for being with us, and we hope to see you next time. Take care.